Hi everyone. So my name is Sarah and I love traveler's notebooks. So let's just get past my excessiveness and go ahead and open these guys up. So there's two separate orders here from Chic Sparrow, and there will be 3 TNs in all that I got. So let's just open this first one. I think I can just right. So like Jennifer Harvey, the owner of Chic Sparrow, is just killing me with all of her releases lately. I cannot keep up. And it's so funny because earlier in the year, I was like, I really wish Chic Sparrow would come out with a bunch of new things. And then they were just like, okay, here's something this week, and then next week, and then the following week. And I just, it's just driving me crazy because I just want everything. But, you know, I only have a limited amount of funds like everybody else. So this is a branded beauty. Or it's listed as beautiful branding, which was also released in between like Waypoint and the Mockingbird collection. And then she was like, oh, here's some hand tools too. And, you know, why not have some beautiful branding as well? So, man, I would have bought like 20 notebooks, but here we are. So this, I'm so excited because this is an Outlander Claire, and I don't have any of the Outlanders that have been newly released. So the Claire, Fraser, and I have a Highland Green, but not one of the ones from the current release. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it feels just like the Highland Green. Oh my gosh. So this is a wide, and I only have one other wide size, which I keep as a financial TN, and that doesn't go anywhere with me. It just stays in the office, and my husband and I use it. So this is only the second wide I've ever gotten. Oh my God. Jeez, this is amazing. So I won't divulge the purpose of this, but this is not something that I'm going to be carrying with me all the time or even around the house. I don't plan on being in this very often. It has a very specific purpose. And so I will just be slowly filling this up over time. And then it's kind of for somebody else, but that I'm going to be keeping for a long time, and I will eventually pass it on to this person. So the W brand is specific to the person that this is eventually for. Oh my God, I love the feel of the new Outlander leathers. Like the Highland Green, when it came out, it had quite a different feel than all of the other Outlander colors. And it came from its own specific manufacturer. And so the newly released colors, the Claire and then the red Fraser, came from the same source. So these feel just like the Highland Green. It is so soft and buttery and smooth. I have a wine and time traveler and also a brown coat. Oh, and a Verona. Oh my God. So those feel very waxy. And some of them even almost feel sticky. And that's why I loved Highland Green so much, because it just has this really smooth, almost like velvety texture. This is so nice. And it's got the new pen loop, and you just gotta train this guy in. So you just fold it in and then it'll start doing it on its own. Oh, this is awesome. And it's a pull-up leather. So it will show that lighter coppery color. Gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm really excited to get this all set up. I won't really be sharing much of this just because it'll be a bit personal and it won't be anything fancy inside either. But I'm just really happy to have this. Oh my gosh. And yeah, this is gonna totally make me want a Claire in my usual narrow size. But anyway, let's get on to the rest. All right, so there are 2 TNs in this one. So this, there's another branded beautiful branding in this one. And what else? What was it? Oh, and the waypoint. Oh my gosh. So I have a few of the bags and totes that Chic Sparrow offers, and they're all made in the same like rustic brown leather, which they're now calling Waypoint. And ever since I got the bags that I own, I was like, I really need a traveler's notebook in this leather. And it's supposedly pretty similar to the retired Outlander in Sojourn Tan. So let's do this. So I'm so excited. This is like a dream come true for me because I was just wanting a traveler's notebook made out of the rustic brown leather. And I think she said like it would be too floppy, so she never really did it. And then, you know, she got enough demand, which is what she says. If she gets enough demand for anything, she'll go ahead and make it. And this is it. This is Waypoint. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh man. This is awesome. Oh, mine has like moles on it. Oh, that's so nice. And I didn't make any requests because I was like, they can just give me whatever they want. I'm gonna love on it and it'll be mine for forever. And you know, I'm probably gonna get more. So, oh wow. Like, this is so nice. And this leather is really, they say it's really, really, really conditioned. So it's really oily and so floppy and pliable. And it is a pull-up leather. So you'll get that lighter color. And I'm really familiar with this leather because I use the bags all the time that are made out of this same leather. And so it scratches easily, but it will, if you just warm it up with your finger, it'll rub right out. And then they say that you should put dashboards, you know, in the front and the back, because since this is so oily that it could possibly discolor your inserts. I am totally okay with that. This is so awesome. And it comes, so this is the rustic brown color, and it comes also in vintage black. And I believe she said on her, I think it's on Instagram, she said she was also going to come out with like a caramel colored one. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up having like all of them. Oh my gosh, I love this. I will load this up. You know what? Let's let's open the other one. This is a branded beauty, and it should be a creme. Oh my gosh, yes. So this is a narrow size too. These are both narrow. So this, like I needed another creme. I have a creme in this color, creme brulee, already. And, but this was on there, and I guess it has like the number 8 in there with, a triangle. And it was in the narrow size. I never really see the beautiful branding notebooks in this size. And then when I was teaching my kids like shapes, it just became a thing. They always asked me like what my favorite shape was, and I always said triangle. So when I saw it had the triangle and it was narrow size, and I know I love creme leather, I was like, well, I guess I'll go ahead and buy that. Oh, it has the old pen loop, which is fine, I suppose. But I'm so happy to have this. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, yeah, gosh, I love that. So I'll go ahead and load these up because they warned that since the WAYPOINT leather is so thin and pliable and floppy that there is bound to be a lot of pull like this once you have your inserts in. So they say make sure you're okay with that before you purchase, because as you can see, even with deluxe, the spine is not reinforced at all, so that's going to remain super floppy. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, give me a second. I will load both of these up and then show you what they look like with the inserts in them. All right, so they are all loaded, and you guys, I am absolutely loving the WAYPOINT. It just hugs around everything immediately, which I figured it would do because this leather, it's just so malleable, and you know, it's a hugger, so it's gonna hug everything, even in deluxe. So yeah, these are both deluxe, so they have pockets on the inside. You know, even with it tripled up, it's still just going to mold around everything. Oh my gosh, this is the best. And the new pen loop didn't require like any training at all. It's just bloop, just goes right in. It knows what its job is. It knows what it wants to do. So I just put my writing and journaling inserts in here, and you know, oh, this is so nice. So I am absolutely thrilled with this. The creme, I just put my homeschooling inserts in this one, and perfect as usual. And I thought it was appropriate to put my homeschooling stuff in here since, you know, this reminds me of when my kids were learning shapes. These are fantastic. I am just so thrilled with this, especially since this is like a brand new thing to me. The creme leather and the WAYPOINT leather, they're both chrome tanned leather, so they will maintain their color over time. They don't darken like the Mr. Darcy line. So they patina by getting like shinier from just being handled and just everyday use and everything. So, oh man, guys, this is trouble. So, let me know how you like the WAYPOINT. Oh my God, I am so smitten with this. This is like everything I have ever wanted. So I will be like holding this all the time. But that is everything, you guys. Here's the Claire one last time. But like, comment, and subscribe if you wish. I appreciate it all, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.